Hi guys, greetings from Dubai. Today we are very excited because this is the first edition of AATC. Chairman is Dr. Benjamin Asher, from IMCAS and also Thinkin. And we have the pleasure with our group, High Class Anatomy, to partner this event. And I am personally in charge of two main tasks. Number one, the anatomy, and number two, some live demo about threads. This format, this AATC is absolutely unique, very innovative. It's 2 days, 4 half day, and we have 4 different formats: lectures, then hands-on training on patient, hands-on training on simulator, and also ultrasound, the new trend, the hot topic in aesthetics. So definitely this is the first of a long series, and I'd like to invite you for the next edition. See you then.